Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Trending Entertainment. So today we'll learn how to use Excel. I'm using Excel 2016 for Windows. You guys might be having an older version of it. So stay to it, you'll get to know how to use Excel. Okay. Uh, just click on start button, write down Excel here and Excel. Okay, you have an alternate way. Just press Window or T and write down Excel. Click here. Okay, there are many Excel template. I would prefer a blank workbook. Okay. Okay, so these are the points which would be covered in this video. Let us just copy it and paste it in somewhere on the Excel. Okay, so the first point is, what is a cell? Okay, the highlighted box, let me just color it this. Okay, so this highlighted, this colored box is known as cell. Okay, these all cells have a reference address. Okay, so this is L6. Okay, this cell address is L6. Okay, let us check the cell address for this. It is C22. Okay, this is C22. Okay, so I think we are done with cell. Let us highlight it with a color. Okay, now moving forward to the other thing, which is a column. What is a column? Column, this whole thing, this vertical thing is known as column. Okay, I, J, K, L, M, and so on, these are known as column. Okay, so how to add a column? For this, you just click on this, right click, insert, and there you go. Let me just write something. Okay, you need to insert in column, insert. Okay, so this is how you insert the column. All right, the way to delete the column is just same as you insert the column. Click on this, right click and delete, right click and delete. Okay, so we are covered with this and this and this. Moving toward, what is a row? Row, this whole thing is known as row. Okay, moving toward to 6, 7, so on, these all things are known as row. How to add a row? Right click on this and click on insert. Once you insert, it will get a new row. Okay, the same thing would be done to delete the row. Okay, delete. Okay, okay, if you mistakenly done something in Excel, you have an undo shortcut, which is Control C, Control Z. Okay, and the redo option for this is Control Y. Okay, Control Y. Okay, so we are done with this. How to delete? Okay, one thing, how to copy. Just a very basic thing, how to copy. For copy, we usually use Control C, Control plus C. You can also copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, this is the first way. Another way to copy is Control C and Control V. Control V to paste. Okay, so here we are covered with these 2 points. Okay, the other thing is how to edit a cell. If you write something on the cell, something right? This is overwriting the cell. You need to edit something after Control plus C. So the first thing, which is you just need to double click on this, and then you can write whatever you want. Okay, the another thing for this is you need to click F2 to edit a cell. This, okay. So these are some starters thing which you should know before using an Excel. Let's suppose you write something on a cell, it's written trending entertainment. Okay, you need to insert a comment on this, and here you can see insert comment. Click on this, trending entertainment. Okay, so here your comment box is closed. Once you click on the cell, you'll get to know what the comment is. You can just delete your comment, you can just edit your comment. Okay, I'll prefer to delete my comment. Okay, so these are a few things which you should know before using an Excel. Okay, so one more thing, if trending entertainment isn't such a long word, so it's moving from M to N. Okay, for this, if you need to make the size of the cell bigger, you just need to click on this and move it like this. Okay, this is like tricky, no? So do one thing, click on this and double click. This will automatically increase the size of a cell looking for the cell range. Okay, so guys, we are done with this. Hope you like my video. Please do let us know if you have any question, and we'll be coming with another video in the next week. Till then, goodbye, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.